Welcome back to another episode on the Deep Learning series. And before I start the episode, I just want to thank you all as we have just crossed 3000 subscriber mark on our channel, and I really want to appreciate you guys for that. And for this episode, we'll be looking at how to use deepfakes on the CPU, as GPUs are hard to get by these days. You can get the link for the download in the description below, and once you have downloaded the file, that is CPU zip file, extract it, and then inside that we'll be finding multiple batch files, and along with that we'll be having a workplace directory. In this folder we'll be having all the source and destination videos. Let's just check that now. These are the source and destination videos I'll be using for the demonstration, and now I'll be extracting frames on the source video at 10 frames per second to work on the frames. I'll be doing that by selecting the second option to extract the frames at 10 fps. Once the frames are extracted, you can check them in the workplace folder under the data underscore src, that is data underscore source folder. Once all these frames are extracted for the data underscore source video, I'll be doing the same thing for the data underscore destination by selecting the 3.2 option. It will take a little more time from the previous step as all the frames from the video are being extracted at full fps. You can check the extracted frames under the workspace folder in the data underscore destination folder. In the next step, we'll be extracting the faces from these frames by selecting the fourth option for the data underscore source video. As extracting faces from the frames is a quite processing intensive task, the amount of time taken is directly dependent on the power of your CPU. Now that the faces are extracted, we can check them under the align folder in the data underscore source folder. Let's do the same thing for the data underscore destination video by executing the fifth batch file. Now that we got all the faces needed to train the neural network, the next important step is to clear the dataset. For that, we'll be using multiple options which are available on the screen to sort them. There are different sort algorithms available, like sort by blur or histogram, similar histogram, or dissimilar faces, etc. These are used to cluster the images, which will in turn help us delete the images which aren't clear. You will need to delete faces which are not clear, as in which are totally blurred out, or which are having faces covered with their hands or glasses. An extra amount of time should be spent in this step, as this will totally define the final video which we'll be creating in a while. Now that we have the clear dataset in our hands, we can start training the neural network by executing the sixth option, that is train H64 CPU. This training is done on a CPU. It took me around 30 hours to train the model, and I have used an i7-6700 processor on my Razer Blade Stealth. And it's better you use a laptop, as there will be no power cuts and there will be no interruptions, and you don't have to worry if there is a interruption for the training. You can continue the training process by using the same batch file, which is train H64 on CPU. That is the sixth batch file. And on a final note, in this step you need to train the model till you get a loss value which is less than 0.09. Now that you have the trained model with you, you can use the seventh option, which is convert H64 CPU.batch file. You can execute this script, and this will start swapping the faces in the final frames. I'll be inputting the default options available for this demonstration, and then continue the process. You can see the final merge frames under the merge folder in the data underscore destination folder, which is available in the workspace directory. Let us convert the swapped frames into video by executing the last option, which is converted to MP4. This is the last step in our process, and once this is done, you can find the result video in the workspace folder. Let us check the final video now.
Yesterday, you said tomorrow, so just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just
This marks the end of this episode, and if you guys love this video, to give a thumbs up for this, and also to take time to share your thoughts on this video in the comment section below. And on a final note, if you guys are new to this channel, do consider subscribing so that you'll be getting continued updates on this series. As always, this is Vamsi from Tech Fortress signing off.
Yes, you can. Just do it.